कांय म्हयन्या पयलीं म्हापशें सब रजिस्ट्रार ऑफिसांतल्यान 4 लँड सेल डिडां गायब जाल्लीं. कितलेशेच म्हयने पुलीस तपास करताले. सेल डिडां मेळ्ळ्यांत म्हूण मंत्री आलेक्स उलयलो.
I'm happy to tell you that some months ago there were 4 documents, 4 sale deals that had disappeared in the Mapsa sub-registrar's office. We have been able to find those 4 sale deals, and of course police investigations are still continuing, but we have in our custody today those 4 sale deals which we will be able to give to the rightful owners.
So is it have anything connection with land grabbing case?
I wouldn't be able to answer that. I wouldn't be able to answer that. Genuinely, I would not be able to answer.
मजगती मडगांव फेक रेजिडेंट सर्टिफिकेट प्रकरणात धरिल्ल्यांचेर खंय खर कारवाय जातली, मंत्री उलयलो.
I think the arrest is a consequence to the complaint that we had filed. No? FIR was registered. Police are investigating. They picked up 2 people.
Okay, they are the ज्यांचे सर्टिफिकेट घेतलेले ते मनीस काय त्यांच्यानी इश्यू केले ते मनीस त्या
I
अरेस्ट
really don't know. I have called for a report, so I should get to know about it tomorrow. But as of now, the police are acting. They have picked up.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.